Hello, I'm Carolyn Collins Petersen. This month, we'll explore the starry skies of October to see some planets, constellations, and maybe even a comet. Don't forget to bring along your binoculars or a small telescope to enhance your view. Right after sunset, be sure and check out the planet Venus and the planet Saturn, both low in the west. Mercury also makes an appearance early in the month, but doesn't get very far above the horizon. Look for Saturn and Mercury close together on the 9th and 10th. Jupiter and Mars are early morning objects this month. Jupiter rises just after midnight, while Mars rises around 3 a.m. October is the month for the Orionid meteor shower. It peaks on the 21st. Stay up past midnight and look for bright flashes of light in the direction of the constellation Orion in the eastern part of the sky. Of course, bright meteoroids called fireballs can flash across the sky at any time, like this one did in early September. It was caught in the act by one of NASA's all-sky cameras just as it neared the horizon. Early morning is also a great time to look for Comet Ison. It's not too far from Mars in the pre-dawn sky. It might be a naked eye object if you're viewing from a dark sky site. Otherwise, use your binoculars or telescope to check it out. As you do your stargazing these October evenings, look for familiar star patterns like W-shaped Cassiopeia. It lies high in the northern part of the sky, and if you can get away from bright lights, you might be able to see the faint band of the Milky Way running through it. Another constellation in this area is Perseus. It has a lovely pair of open star clusters called the Perseus double cluster. You can spot them with the naked eye and examine their stars more closely with your binoculars. South of Cassiopeia is a large square of stars called the Great Square of Pegasus. Extending away from the square are two long lines of stars that make up the constellation Andromeda. Between Andromeda and Cassiopeia lies the Andromeda Galaxy. It's more than 2.5 million light-years away from us. From our vantage point here on Earth right now, it looks like a faint smudge of light. But in about 3 or 4 billion years, it will collide with the Milky Way galaxy in a cosmic dance that will take millions of years. If you could be on Earth when that happens, your night sky might look something like this. Southern Hemisphere stargazers have some wonderful galactic views too. But let's start with some easy-to-spot constellations high overhead. We talked about Tucana last month when we looked at the beautiful globular cluster 47 Tucanae. Right below Tucana is the Small Magellanic Cloud, a companion galaxy to the Milky Way. South of the Small Magellanic Cloud lie the constellations Hydrus and Mensa. And just below them is the Large Magellanic Cloud, another companion to the Milky Way. Both of these irregularly shaped galaxies are connected to each other and to the Milky Way by streams of hydrogen gas. If you're stargazing from a good dark sky site, the Magellanic Clouds should be easy to spot in the southern part of the sky. Or use your binoculars or small telescope to find and explore them. When you look at these galaxies, you're seeing light that has traveled at least 170,000 years to meet your eyes. Well, that's a small taste of what you can find in October skies. I'm Carolyn Collins Petersen, wishing you all clear skies from astrocast.tv.